Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Love. If you haven't subscribed, quickly go do so. Do not forget to like and share this video. Alright, so before I start, I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. As you know, being a mother can be quite challenging, but rewarding. So Happy Mother's Day, guys. Alright, so before I start, I just want to check up with you guys on the $1 saving a day. So today's the 10th. You should have about $10 in your jar as of today, or in your bank account. So I know saving $1 a day might seem like nothing, but it's really, I think it's great because you wouldn't believe how many people don't have any savings. So starting small is realistic, and especially in the times that we are right now, I think it's a perfect way to start if you've never saved before. So keep doing it. $1 a day, put it in a jar or in your bank account, and yeah. So I'll check again with you guys on next time. So today we are going to be creating a budget using the 80-20 budgeting method. So this budgeting method is basically saying that 20% of your take-home income goes into saving and 80% goes into like your expenses, your needs and wants. So it's a great budgeting method. It's very simple. So I think it's perfect for somebody that is just starting to budget. If you're new to budgeting, I think this is the perfect one for you. It's pretty much easy. 20% of your income goes into saving, and about 80% of it, covers your expenses and wants. And if your 80% of your income is not able to cover your expenses and wants, I think it's time for you to look at what you can cut back in order for it to for the 80% to cover. Otherwise you'll be in debt, which we don't want that. So I think also if it's a great tool for somebody who do not like tracking like the expenses or tracking the every single dollar, I guess. It's great because the minute you get your paycheck, 20% is saving and 80% you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. Again, if 80% cannot cover your wants and needs, it's time for you to cut back in some things. So today, that's the method we're going to be using to create a budget. And today I want to do like a budget for a college student. Alright, so let's get started.
We're going to be creating a budget, and like I said, we're going to be using a college student as an example. So we're going to be doing a guy. So we're going to name him Chris, and Chris is attending FIU, Florida International University, and he's currently working at McDonald's. So he usually works about 25 hours a week, making $12 an hour. So let's get started. So for step one, we're going to determine his weekly income and then get his monthly income. Okay. So he is getting paid $12 an hour for about 25 hours. So he's bringing home a total of $253.62. All right, multiply that by 4. Multiply that by 4, you get 1,014.48. Okay, so that's how much he's getting every month. So now we're going to do the 80-20 budgeting method. So first thing first, 20% of that income goes into saving. So 20%. So that's 289 cents. And then he has 80% he to pay his bills and everything else. Or anything else, I should say. So 80% of that. So 80% is 811.58 cents. Okay? So we're gonna break it down. Alright, so Chris is living at home. He's living at home. So he doesn't have much bills, and I just have to say that his parents are paying for his school. So this is what he does with his money. So he has a car, so he's responsible for his own car insurance. So the car insurance is about $200 a month. Gas, because he commutes to school. He's a commuter, and he goes to work too. So he spent about $60 a month for gas. He has a phone, and monthly he's spending about $80 a month on the phone. Food, even though he lives with his parents, he still has to buy food. So that's about $100 a month. He's still has to pay one bill at his parents, so he's paying the cable and internet bill, which is about $120 a month. He's a he's not a flashy person, so for clothing he spent about $50 a month, and he is saving about $50 for books, so he does not wait at the end of the semesters to like save up money for books or try to gather money for books. So every month he puts $50 aside for books. Okay, so then now he is left with $151.58. So that's for him to go out with his friend, to do whatever. If he wants to save some more, he can definitely do that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this is useful, and ask any questions.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, do so right now. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.